Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to select all objects in a layer in AutoCAD. If you're working in AutoCAD and want to select all objects on a layer, doing it manually can take forever, especially in complex drawings. That's why AutoCAD includes the QSELECT tool, a quick selection command that lets you filter and select objects efficiently. Let's start. First, open your AutoCAD drawing. Make sure the layer you want to select objects from is visible. Next, once your layer is visible, go to the command line found at the bottom and type QSELECT. After that, press Enter. This opens the Quick Select dialog box. Here's how the dialog is structured. Apply to, choose whether you want to select objects in the entire drawing or only within a specific selection set. Object type. Select the type of objects you want to filter, such as lines, circles, blocks, or leave it at multiple if you want all types. Properties. Select which property you want to filter by. For selecting by layer, choose Layer. Operator. Usually leave it at equals. Value. Choose the exact layer name you want to select. For now, we're going to focus on the Properties section and select the Layer option. Then again, we're going to go to Value and select the layer we want. After filling out these fields, click OK. AutoCAD instantly selects all objects on that layer based on your criteria. You can now perform batch actions like moving, copying, changing properties, or deleting all objects on that layer. This method is far more reliable than selecting manually, especially in large, detailed drawings where human error is likely. Finally, remember, QSELECT doesn't permanently lock your selection. If you need to add or remove objects afterward, you can hold Shift and click to modify your selection set. Using QSELECT regularly will dramatically speed up layer-based workflows and reduce mistakes in large AutoCAD projects. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.